All right, so I just finished up my trading session for the day. I took one trade on ES today. Market was pretty slow, but eventually found a setup that looked like it was worth taking. Ended up working out. Ended up making around 264 in 15 of my PA Apex accounts. So in total, made just under $4,000 profit on the day. So anyways, to show you my trade and kind of my thought process throughout this, first off, let me go over to the thing I actually traded. Everything else was pretty choppy in the pre-market. I mean, the thing that looked best was like oil and gold, but there's just no setups. We didn't really get any good setups, so couldn't take anything there. I started watching ES. As you can see, basically what was happening here, let me just extend this, was we were trading at an old resistance area. Okay, if I zoom out to a 15-minute time frame, this is an old resistance area, basically all-time highs on ES. We ended up breaking out of it, and then we pulled back to it this morning to try to see if we can hold it. So that's what I was watching for, to see if we can actually hold this old resistance and whether it would turn into new support. Now, once we started getting down here, I wanted to look for two things. For one, I wanted to see if we would actually hold it. And for two, I want to start seeing us build some kind of bullish market structure. We can see the pre-market was a pretty bearish market structure. So for example, you guys know, one of the main confirmations I use is this RMAC indicator. Now, basically what I look for is to see once we get above this top line, that should be a good sign for longs, right? The first time we got above this top line was right here. Now, if we see nothing else other than just this, right? This is all I saw. There's no uptrend at all, right? So I wasn't really comfortable taking this. It actually would have worked out. You probably could have got like a 1-to-1 risk reward, maybe 5 or 6 points out of the trade. But we can see what happened. The trade I took instead was we came up, we made this new high. So that was a good sign. We got above VWAP. And then we started coming down. And what did we do? On this low, we made a higher low from this previous low. Okay, so that was our first sign of we're getting a bullish market structure. So once this RMAC indicator crossed above the top line again, which is right here, this is actually where I entered my position long, right at 826.50. So just to show you what this trade looked like, entered right here. And then I basically rode this up at a 1-to-1 risk reward. I had my stop below where the volume was. So this candle had most of the volume, had my stop down here, and rode it up straight to 833. Where this previous resistance was. That was it. It was a very simple trade. I could have got another entry here. As you can see, that was basically my trade, but we pulled back again to this top line. Could have got in on this candle right here and rode up once again. This would have actually been a really clean trade, but I already made my money, so I was happy with the day, and that was it, right? So super simple trade. Again, when we don't really have a trend in the pre-market, right, I want to wait for some kind of trend to form. I want to be at some kind of key level. In this case, it was old resistance turning into new support. This is a very key resistance level. So I knew that if we hold the lows, right, and we start building a little bit of bullish market structure, plus get our confirmation, I should be able to get some kind of trade out of it. So anyways, end up doing that, and that is how I made my 264 in 15 of my PA Apex accounts. So anyways, guys, that was my trade for the day. We've had a great week so far with 0 losses and 4 winners. Now, real quick, before you guys go, if you guys don't know already, I trade live every single day on Zoom inside my Inner Circle group. And right now, I'm offering a free 7-day trial if you guys want to, test run the live trading with me, see if it'd be helpful for you. Inside of there, you can see my screen. You'll see the exact trades I took, exactly where I enter, where I exit, all in real time. Plus, you can ask me any questions on those live sessions. So if you guys want to test run the Inner Circle group for 7 days for completely free, all you have to do is go over to the first link in the description below, or just head over to this link right here, and you can start trading live with me as soon as tomorrow morning. Anyways, guys, looking forward to seeing you in there. I'll see you tomorrow morning at Market Open for another day of trading to end out the week.